precious hands I fall, and with the arms of faith embrace. O King of glory, hear my call. O raise me, heal me by thy grace. Thou righteous, through thy grace I am. No condemnation now I dread. I take salvation in thy name. Alive in thee, my living head. Still let thy wisdom be my guide, nor take thy flight from me away. Still with me let thy grace abide, that I from thee may never stray. Let thy word richly in me dwell, thy peace and love my portion be. My joy to endure and do thy will, till perfect I am found in thee. Arm me with thy whole armor, Lord. Support my weakness with thy might. Gird on thy thigh thy conquering sword, and shield